This is Stuart Peary talking through the error I've got with the Farmbot not connecting to the hotspot on my phone. So what I've got here are, of course, the configurator instructions, and I'm going to go ahead and click on my Wi-Fi and switch over to the Farmbot Wi-Fi. The Farmbot is booted up from a cold start right now, and its blue light is flashing, which I understand to mean that it needs configuration. All right, so it looks like it has connected successfully to that. I'm going to go to setup.farm.bot. So this error code did appear after the issue I was describing, where it was unable to connect to the Wi-Fi. So I've already shared this error with you, but here it is again. I'm going to click Begin Setup. I'm going to choose Wi-Fi. As I talked about, I'm unable to go Ethernet right now with my school. Just waiting for it to do the setup. There was some waiting yesterday as well when I was going through this, but I assume that's normal since it's just running off a Raspberry Pi. Now we're at the list of wireless networks. What's really interesting is that today my phone is showing up. This is not the name of the SSID according to my phone. My phone says it should be Stewart_S space iPhone, and you can see there's a lot of other characters in here. So perhaps that was the issue, is that I was entering an SSID that was correct on my phone, but for some reason the Raspberry Pi is seeing it differently. So I was doing manual input yesterday and doing Stewart_S space iPhone as the SSID, and it's clearly very different. I don't know why my phone was not showing up in the wireless scan yesterday after multiple attempts, but it did not. So let's click on it today and see what happens. I'm going to enter the password. And I'm going to change this to 1.4 because that's the Farmbot that we have. And I was able to get this far yesterday and then unable to see that the Farmbot was connected to the web. The blue light is still flashing. All right, so I'm going to enter my web account. All right. Blue light still flashing on the Farmbot. Give it a second to reboot. Let's also check the Wi-Fi. And I'm still seeing the Farmbot Wi-Fi is available. I'm going to switch over to my hotspot and see if I am able to connect to the Farmbot. All right, it says no device yet. I'm still seeing this. Okay. I'm going to switch back to the Farmbot Wi-Fi, which should be gone by now if setup went correctly. And if it, okay, good. It's saying it can't connect to this network. Hopefully that means it's taking. And we are going to try and, oh, no, it does say that it's connected. So let's do setup.farm.bot and see if it's giving me the same error. Yes, it's the same error again. So there's something about the phone hotspot that simply just isn't taking. I feel confident that I entered the correct password. I feel confident that it saw the Wi-Fi this time, but this is the error that I get every time, that there's something that is not configured correctly.